Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how to hide your followers on Instagram. Whether you want more privacy or just prefer to keep your followers list hidden, I will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the Instagram app on your phone. Okay, so once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And now tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. Okay, so once you are here, you have to scroll down and tap on account privacy. To hide your followers, you need to make your account private. Okay, so now here, toggle the switch to make your account private. Tap on switch to private. Remember one thing, if you have professional account, you can't hide your followers on Instagram. You must have to switch your account to private. If you don't know that how to switch to a personal account from a professional account, you can watch my video from here. I have already explained. And that's it, you have successfully hidden your followers on Instagram by making your account private. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.